Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you the Peppermint Essential Oil by Pure Body Naturals. It's such a beautiful bottle. The bottle is 4 ounces and it only contains one ingredient, which is peppermint oil. So I like to try to use products that have very few items in them, and this is one of those. It has a stopper inside so that you can disperse it easily in your diffuser. I actually use it in my Bona floor cleaner. I just take the top off and then put in a few drops of the peppermint oil. And then when I clean my floors, my home has a beautiful peppermint smell to it. So I really like that. I also can put it on my vacuum filters. So there's lots of good ways to use this. It's a really pleasant smell. It's sweet um, and it's very aromatic. So I hope you all enjoy it as much as I do. It's definitely one of my favorites. I hope you'll give it a try.